Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands. And first of all, I want to wish everybody a happy Easter. And the second thing is, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a subscriber for a while, also welcome. But if you're really new and you haven't seen one of these before, this is the winner's drawing video. And that is for the Buzz into Spring challenges. Together with Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts, I created a kit together. She had 22 pages in her shop. I had 22 pages in LineDotArrow shop. And that is the collaboration kit. And there's also a version in both shops that is in black and white and in sepia. So you can save on ink, or if you like more grungy, you can use that. And we have challenges in LineDotArrow, so my Facebook group, also in Nonstop Papercrafts Facebook group, but also in Haystack Crafty Corner, Choose Sister Jam, Sweet Pea Papers, and Junk Journal tutorials and more. So there are 6 Facebook groups joining in with the challenges. And that means that you could post in all 6 to join in with their giveaway. If you use only the freebies, because we had a lot of freebies, I think, well, I can say like 40 pages, maybe even more. I'm not sure even, because it's all in color, black and white and sepia too. So, but you can find them in LineDotArrow, Nonstop Papercrafts, and there's also a set of papers specially designed for the other 4 Facebook groups, and you can only find those papers in each Facebook group. So these are special. And with the freebies, your post is 1 entry. That means your name is in the name picker wheel once. And if you use the kit together, or only the kit, but if you use it together with the freebies, the kit is 2 entries. So your name will be in the name picker wheel twice. This is the journal I created. It's not done. So I say created, but it's not done. It's even not closed. I still have to put stuff in, but I am going to work on it a little more off camera, and I will show you when it is done for sure. And yeah, I have specimen slides in here. The jars were part of a challenge. This is part of a challenge, and this was also part of a challenge. And where's the other challenge? A belly band. This one. Well, not the belly band itself, but using flowers with fabrics and laces. So this is one of the challenges. I created a belly band. Still have to make a tag. Well, I have a tag, but finish the tag. But yeah, I will finish this later. But like I said, today is the winner's drawing, and I'm going to spin the wheel 3 times. The first prize in this drawing is for LineDotArrow. It's different in each group. Maybe I should explain that first. In LineDotArrow, the prizes are digitals from LineDotArrow. On Nonstop Papercrafts winner's drawing, she has prizes from her shop, so from Nonstop Papercrafts. And in the other 4 groups, we have the same amount of prizes, but the winner can pick which shop the prizes should come from. So, like for instance, if you win the first prize, you could even do 3 digitals from LineDotArrow, 3 from Nonstop Papercrafts, or maybe 2 from one shop and 1 from the other. So the winner can pick. And the prizes are, yeah, that was what I'm going to say. The first prize is 3 digitals, second prize 2 digitals, and the third is only 1. So we are going to spin for the LineDotArrow digitals, because, well, LineDotArrow is my Facebook group and LineDotArrow is my shop. And I'm going to spin. I'm just going to switch over to the laptop, and then you have the name picker wheel with all the names. And I have to say, you can't read the names because there were so many entries. But if I spin the wheel and your name pops up, you won a prize. But you also need to contact me via Etsy. There is a contact seller option, there's a button. You should contact me over there, because in Messenger things get lost unless we already chat before. Then I can see, but if it's a new person trying to reach me, it's impossible for me to see. I don't know why. Maybe because I receive a lot of messages during the day. I don't know. But Etsy is the safest way to go. And if your name pops up for a prize, your name will be taken out of the wheel completely. So it's not possible for you to win a second or a third prize. And I'm going to do the same after each spin. This way everybody has a chance of winning. So yeah, this is all about the drawing itself. Most of you already know, of course, but for the newbies over here, I'm just trying to explain what is happening. And if you like this idea of winning something and taking part in challenges, the collaboration is over this month. I'm doing challenges with the 4 other Facebook groups next month, in April and in May. And in June, there will be another collaboration with Suzanne. And then there will be 6 Facebook groups again. But this one ended, but the new one will start in April. So if you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell so you will be notified about new challenges, new kits, new videos about everything that is junk journal related, and also about winners drawing. Yeah, I'm going to switch over to the desk and let's start spinning the wheel. So I switched over to the desk. This is on my laptop. This is the sheet, the promo sheet for all the Facebook groups joining in this collaboration, in the challenges. And on the outside, very small, you see all the names, but I can't read them. And I have it in front of me like, well, it's not even, it's bigger than you see it now. But yeah, I'm going to spin. If I can find yeah, it's over here. So this is for the first prize, 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. Here we go. Sorry, I'm just switching off my air conditioning. Oh, I think I set it for about 60 seconds to spin. I'm sorry, it's taking a long time. I really don't know why you don't see it. Okay, Cherry Lightfoot, you won the first prize. Congratulations, you won 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. Please contact me via my Etsy store by contact seller. There's a button. And if you're having troubles finding me, you can also tag me in the Facebook group and ask. I will see. I am going to remove your name from the screen, from the whole wheel, so your name will not pop up again. So removing your name by Terry. I'm sorry, you have to go. So this is going to be the second spin, second prize, 2 digitals from LineDotArrow. And the second prize winner is Sue Baylock. Congratulations, Sue. Please contact me via my Etsy store, and I'm going to remove your name. So your name will completely be deleted from the wheel. And now we are going to turn for the third prize. And that is one digital from LineDotArrow. And then it's really over. Then we are no longer in Buzz into Spring. And I have to say, I really enjoyed watching all your makes. And I'm still catching up, on all your entries because I'm so far behind. But yeah, I did see all your beautiful makes. I didn't respond to every post, but I will. It's going to take me a few days to catch up. So, who's going to be the third prize winner? Bella Sunshine, you won the third prize, Bella. Congratulations. Oh, and I so like it that you won because you had so many issues not being able to join in with your health issues with your arm or neck. I'm not sure, but I do know you had issues with crafting, and I'm so happy you won. And I'm going to remove you from the wheel, although we are not going to have another spin, of course. But yeah, we have in LineDotArrow 245 entries. That's why you can't read the names because it's a lot. So that means it was a big hit. This challenge collaboration was a big hit, and I want to thank everyone for joining in. Yeah, it was so wonderful. So yeah, this is really the end of Buzz into Spring. We want to thank you for joining in, and I think I can speak also for the other Facebook groups, Sweet Pea Papers, Junk Journal Tutorials and more, Two Sister Jam and Haystack Crafty Corner, and of course Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. And well, I'm from LineDotArrow. I'm very thankful too, and also thankful that everyone from the Facebook groups was joining in. And I also want to thank Suzanne for the collaboration. I want to thank her design team for making such beautiful projects. And I want to thank my own design team for making these beautiful projects. And a special thank you to Bea de Gries. She is a design team member, but also a admin in the Facebook group. And she collected all the names for me. So now you know we have 245 entries. It has been a lot of work for her. So thank you, Bea, for doing that and making my life a lot easier. So yeah, this is really it. I have to say goodbye. Enjoy your Easter. I will be back with another video soon with the freebie kit with the Easter the lovely vintage Easter bunnies. I created a little craft yesterday, but I want to do one more tomorrow. The freebies are in the Facebook group or on my Ko-Fi page. You can use them in your crafts, but they are also great for little children if they are visiting you during Easter and they want to do something different. They can play with those papers too. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you the next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.